He knew me not at all when I arrived. Then he said I was a hurricane. So I poured on his crops and flooded his streets and washed out the floor of his basement. Then I wrecked him with rain and I pulled him in and held him down. Then I picked him back up with the speed of a plane and we circled round and round. You knew nothing about me, you didn't know my name, and then you let me touch you, and then I touched you hard. I didn't mean to hurt you, but it hurt so good, like a hurricane. 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 You knew me not at all when I arrived. Then you said I was a bird of prey. So I went to the sky and watched from above until I knew you were ripe for the take. Then I circled around and I pulled you in and held you down. And I picked you back up like you wanted to fly.